Welcome to beautiful Costa Rica. We are here today with a 15-minute yoga workout practice focused on full body toning, strengthening, and lengthening. In this invigorating practice, we will flow through a series of dynamic postures and exercises designed to engage and strengthen every muscle group while promoting flexibility and balance at the same time. Throughout this yoga workout, remember to breathe deeply and listen to your body's needs, taking a break and modifying the movement and postures as needed. So with that, if you're ready to get started, grab your mat and let's begin. Thank you so much for joining me here today for this practice. Let's get started by first coming over towards the very back of your mat. Feet together, knees together. Sit over to your heels. Rest your hands on your knees, and let's just take a moment to come into the body. Coming into this present moment, taking a couple of deep breaths here. Exhale, letting it all go. Inhale, awakening the body through the breath. And then one more breath in, reaching both arms now up to the sky, lengthening through the upper body. And then as you exhale, come forward into your child's pose, reaching the fingertips to the front of your mat. And then from here, transitioning slowly into upward dog by bringing the hips down, lift the thighs off the floor, open up. Bend your knees and wave your body back down into child's pose. And once again, rounding through the spine, drop the hips, lift up upward dog. Exhale, round into child's pose. And again, take your time, come forward, lift your knees and thighs off the mat, and then tuck your toes underneath. So on your tippy toes, you're going to bend your elbows now, bring your body down, and extend your arms for 1. Bring it down, and 2. So upward dog push-ups, and 3, working through the triceps, and 4. Bring the forehead down, then up into upward dog, 5, and then release downward facing dog. Open up the feet a little bit wider, spread those fingers apart. Let's go ahead and take a couple of breaths here. Give your body the permission to let go of any tension you may be holding through the back of your legs. Deep breath in. Now exhale, lift the heels, bend your knees. You're going to hop towards the front of your mat. Inhale, come up halfway as you extend your knees. Forward fold, bend your knees, and then hop back into downward dog. Let's do that again. Lift the heels, bend your knees, hop to the front. Halfway lift, forward fold, hop to the back, downward dog. And again, lift the heels, bend your knees, hop to the front, halfway up, forward fold, bend your knees, downward dog. Great, next exercise here, we're going to come forward into high plank, then back into downward dog, but then use your right hand, tap your left ankle, back into plank, and other side tap, plank, and tap, plank, and tap. Very good. Keep going. High plank, reach across. You don't have to touch your ankle. You can even just touch the outside of your knee. Good. And tap, back to plank, and tap. Now see if you can hold this position. So what I'm doing here is reaching for the outside of my ankle. But again, if that's a little too much, see if you can reach for the side of your knee. And really focusing on that gentle twist through the upper body. Look up towards where that armpit is, or just close your eyes. And then we're just going to switch to the other side. Same thing. Breathing in deeply and just feeling that release through the upper body. Feel that gentle twist. Inhale And exhale back into downward facing dog. Let's just hold here for a couple of deep breaths. And then once you're ready, lift the heels, bend your knees, hop to the front of your mat once again. Halfway lift, forward fold, bend your knees, and then slowly come up into standing, reaching both arms up to the sky. And exhale, finding that center, Samastiti, hands in front of your heart. From here, slightly put your feet apart if that's more comfortable. We're going to come into our Utkatasana chair position. So you're reaching both arms, squatting down into that chair and extend. So we get low with the body and back up for 2. So chair squats, a little combination between the asana and a little bit more strength building. Good. Again, bend the knees and extend. Bend and extend. You got it. See how low you can bring those hips down without sacrificing the form of your body. Hold it here. Now reach the arms behind. Lift the heels off the mat. See if you can balance on your tippy toes. Bring the arms forward. Extend through the fingertips and slowly make your way to a balancing position on the balls of your feet. Hold it here. Use the strength of your body. Come up slow and controlled, staying on your tippy toes. Slowly make your way down, just like an elevator ride. Very slow and controlled. Try to maintain a full straight upper body. And slow and controlled, bring it up. See if you can maintain that lift of the heels above the mat. Drop the heels and lift for 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting a little stronger in the ankles and the calves. 8. Keep it going. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Now lift and hold. Bring the palms together. At your heart, stay and find that balance. Stay on your tippy toes. Stay up, stay up. Transitioning back into our chair, release the arms, sitting low into chair Utkatasana. And releasing forward fold. Inhale halfway. Exhale. Go ahead and step both feet back into high plank position. Take your chaturanga. Upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Great job. On your next breath, go ahead and lift the heels. You're going to bend your knees and hop to the front of your mat. Come on up halfway and then forward fold. Bending your knees and rolling up to standing as the arms continue to reach up. And then exhale, your hands are going to come down into your heart. And just take a breath, and then once you're ready, step your right leg all the way back into a high lunge, arms reaching up to the sky. Extending the front knee, and then bend both knees into a lunge squat for 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. 5. Now 2 more, and then that last one, we're going to hold and hover the knee and give me a little pulse up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Extend the back knee, open up those arms and heart to the sky. Bring the arms all the way through, reach them back up into high lunge. Deep breath in, exhale, opening your body and turning and pivoting the back foot into warrior 2. Find that center, and then you're going to bend your elbows, place your hands behind your head, touch that front elbow to the front knee, and bring it back up for 1. Touch, and 2. So getting a little deeper into the oblique section here, working further into the core. Bring it down, exhale, bring it up. Nice strong foundation in the lower body. See if you can bring the body a little lower by bending that front knee even more. Of course, it's going to challenge you a little bit more, but that's what we're here for. Extend your arms now, and then release back into peaceful warrior. Stretch it out. Take that deep breath in. Exhale, extending the front knee. Give it a little break. Repositioning yourself as you need to, and then release into your triangle trikonasana. Your bottom fingers are just barely touching the ground as the other arm reaches up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Bending the front knee and go a little deeper now into extended side angle. That top arm reaches towards the front of your mat. Feel that beautiful extension and lengthening through the entire side of your body. Getting into the obliques, into the intercostal muscles in your rib cage. And then slowly turning to center, pivoting the back foot. And stepping back into plank and taking a flow chaturanga. Upward facing dog. And downward facing dog. Great job. Inhale, lift the heels, bend your knees, hop to the front of your mat. Halfway lift, and then release, forward fold. Come on up to standing, reach both arms up to the sky. And then exhale, hands at your heart center. Let's take it to the other side, friends. Step your left leg to the back, reach both arms up, nice big, open high lunge. Extend the front knee, bend both knees for 1 and 2. You got it. Nice and controlled here. Don't rush. Bend both knees. Let that back knee hover above the mat. Good. Now on that last one, we're just going to hold and hover and pulse. 2, 3, 4 little tiny movements. Really getting through that lower body. Beautiful. Extend the back knee, open up through the arms. Deep breath in. Exhale, bring the arms through. And then turn and pivot and opening into our warrior 2. Bending the front knee. Arms behind your head. Bring that front elbow forward and up. See if you can touch the front knee with the elbow and bring it up for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now keep going, get nice and low and bring it up with lots of power. Good. From here, release the arms and take it all the way back into peaceful warrior. Top arm reaches to the back of your mat. See if you can bend the front knee a little bit more. And then extend the front knee. And transition into our triangle by simply bringing that top arm all the way down. Reach the back arm towards the sky, stack your shoulders, open up through the hips, so really opening that left hip back. Good, deep breath in. Exhale, bend that front knee and reach that arm all the way towards the front of your mat. Extended side angle, beautiful extension of your entire side body. Inhale. Exhale, let's release, pivoting the back heel. Inhale. Exhale, stepping back into plank, chaturanga. Upward facing dog. And then exhale, tuck your back toes under. One more set of our up dog push-ups. So bend your elbows, bring forehead down and up for 1 and 2. Get deep into those triceps. 3, 4, you got it. 5, and push back, downward facing dog. Stretch it out, my friends. Really let yourself enjoy this posture, lengthening through the upper body. Breathe deeply through your belly. Inhale. Exhale. From here, let's come down onto our elbows into our dolphin. Interlace your fingers, bring your feet together, working through the lower abdominals and the upper body. You're going to drop into an elbow plank. On your exhale, bring it down, and then inhale, bring your hips back into dolphin. Exhale for 2, and bring it up. Exhale, elbow plank. 3. And up. 4. Good. Exhale. 5. Bring it up. 6. Good. Keep going. Remember to use control and strength of your body rather than the momentum. Exhale, plank. High up with the hips. And last one, plank. Hold. And bring the hips back up. Now open up your feet just a little wider. Come on up to your hands, downward facing dog. One more time. Inhale. And exhale, come through into plank. Flow it out, chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Then exhale, bend both knees and just sit back over onto child's pose. You can keep your knees open or together, up to you. Just take a big exhale, let all of it go. You did it. You did a beautiful workout today. We toned, we strengthened, and we stretched the body. Go ahead and come on up to seated, feet together, knees together. And let's just do a final stretch here. Reach both arms up. Shifting your weight over onto the left hip, right hand comes down, big side stretch. Simply reach your fingers to the opposite side, breathe it out. And switch to the other side, so just same thing. Good, just keep reaching. Inhale, exhale back to center, and reaching both arms up to the sky, and hands come over back to your heart. Thank you so much for joining me here today for our yoga workout practice. I hope you feel amazing and ready to continue onward with your day. Thank you, namaste, and we'll see you again soon.
I hope you enjoyed this practice. If you would like to slim down and tone up, I would like to let you know about the Blissful Body Bootcamp. First things first, this is a completely free 7-day bootcamp, a course that I created for anyone that is looking for incredible results. What's most important about this particular bootcamp and program is that you are rolling out your mat every single day, stepping on your mat, and dedicating yourself to a practice. So remember, it's all about listening, tuning in, pushing yourself to that next level, and having fun. Because really, what it is all about is to have fun while we're working our bodies. So come with me. It's completely free. And all you have to do is just simply click this link here and discover how powerful you truly are.